Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to accept $5 on Cash App. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your correct account, as payments are linked to your unique cash tag and security. You will then see your home screen with various options for managing funds. This is your starting point for reviewing all incoming and outgoing transactions. Once you are on the Cash App home screen, tap the Activity tab, which typically looks like a clock icon. Here, you will see a chronological list of all your past and pending transactions. Scroll through this list to find the payment of $5. If it requires your approval, it will clearly indicate a pending status, often with a distinct prompt for action. When you locate the pending $5 payment in your activity feed, simply tap the prominent green Accept button. Cash App will then ask you to confirm the details of the transaction, such as the sender and the amount. Review these details carefully to ensure accuracy. After confirmation, the money will instantly be transferred into your Cash App balance, ready for use or transfer. After accepting the payment, navigate back to your home screen to verify that your Cash App balance has updated to include the $5. You can now use these funds for sending money, purchasing items, or investing. If you wish to transfer the money to your bank account, tap the Cash Out button and follow the simple prompts. It is a very straightforward process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.